Hey friends, if you encounter the internal power error, blue screen of death error on Windows 11, then please watch this video. So there's a very high chance that it's due to broken files, but before that we will counter the issue with drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and go to device manager, and then you can expand the list for display drivers. Right click on the first one and update the drivers. The next solution is Windows Update. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and update all the drivers here. Last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.